welcome back to the channel. Hope all is well with you guys. So we're gonna be doing a review on this foundation today. This is from the Ulta brand, and this is the Effortless Effect Medium Coverage Foundation. So I don't even know much about it. I just saw it and I want to try it out for you guys. This is the Effortless Medium Coverage Foundation, and this is infused with hyaluronic acid to boost hydration. This is a deep neutral shade. If you guys missed my other video on the Complexion Crush Foundation, this is it here. I will put it up here so you guys could take a look at that video. So right now this foundation is $4. Something is probably up with this foundation. Why is $4? Well, I paid $8 for it, and now it's $4, so we'll see if it's worth the money. This is a medium coverage foundation with a natural, effortless looking finish, packed with skin loving ingredients and just the right amount of coverage. Well, it says that it's hydrated, okay, so we'll see about that. And as always, I'm not gonna put anything on the skin. I just like to see how it works on its own. I think that works really better for me. That's why I do this. So looking at this, it's the same shade, but this one looks a little darker than the one I tried out a few weeks ago. This looks very thick. I'm using this brush here. This is from Morphe. Yeah, this shade is a little bit more thicker than the one that I tried out the other day. Okay, so it does have a smell, and it has that cooling effect as well, but hopefully it's not matte. Okay, so it started off cool, very smooth on the skin, but my skin is tightening up. It feels very tight. Yeah, hopefully it's not what I'm thinking, because I don't like matte foundation on my skin. It just don't work for me. If it's a soft matte, then I could get away with it, but if it's just really matte, it's not for me. The shade is really good. Now that I know if they come out with other foundation, I know what shade to get. Okay, let's take a little bit more and put on the forehead. I've been breaking out on my forehead. This is the favorite spot. Anytime I'm breaking out is right on my forehead and my chin. So I'm breaking out there at the moment. I don't know if it's the foundation I tried from, what's that? She Glam. That's the last foundation I tried a couple days ago, and as soon as I try out the foundation, I got a pimple the next day. So I don't even know if it's a foundation or it's the heat. I actually like how this is blending out, but I don't like the way it feels on my skin. Yeah, the coverage is really good. It does feel like a matte foundation. I don't think this is for me. The way how it feels on my skin, it's like right over here. I could feel like my mouth is tightening up a little bit. So I'm not even sure what this is. And it looks like it's oxidizing, so I'm not going to put too much of it. The coverage is fine. It is a medium coverage, but this is really dark. It oxidized a lot. Don't like the way it feels, but it looks okay for now. To claim that this is hydrated, definitely not. And I probably would return it because I know that I'm not going to use it. But I always want to give the foundation a chance to see exactly how it works. But yeah, it feels matte. Ooh. I don't know, my skin feels really tight. I was not expecting this to feel like that. I don't even see any transfer, so that is good for oily skin, not for us girl. I don't really care for the other products they have. I just love foundation, bronzers, blushes. Those are the things I really like. I feel like this foundation is a little bit too heavy as well. It feels heavy on the skin. So I'm gonna swatch this one here. I just want you guys to see the difference. It looks like the same shade, girl, because they said it. This is the Complexion Crush. Okay, so the Complexion Crush is a little bit more liquidy. So this is a Complexion Crush, okay? So this is dark neutral, okay? And this is the other one, the one that I have on my skin, which one is that? Effortless foundation. They do look slightly the same, but on my face it looks darker. I think it oxidized. I don't know if you guys could pick it up from the camera, but on the side right here is oxidizing. The lipstick that I'm wearing today is from Juvia's Place. This is a Nubian Earth lipstick. This shade is Sheba. Really pretty. Goes with the look. This is the one that I try out right now, right? This is it, and this is the new one that recently came out. I prefer this one for our dry girls. This is the one that I have on my skin right now. This is very matte. You see how matte it is? So this is a Complexion Crush. This is not for dry skin, okay? This is more for oily skin. And this one I'll recommend if you have dry skin. You see how dewy it is? I actually don't like this foundation because the way it feels on my skin. If you have texture skin, I don't think that this foundation is gonna work for you as well. My skin is very tight and I feel like the foundation itself is a little bit on the cakey side. If you try this foundation out, let me know in the comments below what you guys think about it. But I won't recommend this if you have dry skin. If you have oily skin and you want to try it out, go ahead. It is a matte finish. All the claims that they said in here, I don't see any claims pertaining this because it's not hydrated. It is a medium coverage, that's it. But anything else, it really don't look that bad. I just think that if you are gonna put hydrating on a product, we need to see hydration. This is not it, girl. Now I see why they have this on clearance, because a lot of people don't like this foundation. And I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I will return it. I'm not gonna use it next time. I'm not gonna waste you guys' time. If you have dry skin, stay away. If you have oily skin, try it out. If you have texture skin, stay away as well. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think about this product. If you try it out, it's on clearance right now. If you go to the Ulta store, they have a big pile of this foundation on sale, and no wonder why it's on sale, because nobody buying it. Thank you guys so much. See you guys in the next video. Bye guys.